What's up, guys? It's your boy Siobhan here, back with another video, and today is just such a fucked up day, man. Like, everybody knows Nateslife. This man has like 2.8 million subscribers, and he exposed himself. Like, how could you expose yourself? It's not like you're in a 200 subs channel. You have 2.8 million subscribers. At least rewatch your videos. No, for me personally, I cannot watch this man's video and take him seriously, none at all, because now I just think all of his videos are fake, and I really thought he was a good YouTuber, but no, it just pisses me off that all these people are just manipulating us and letting us think that this is going on when it's actually bullshit. But without any further ado, let me just show you guys how this stupid ass nigga exposed himself.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Nate, and today I'm gonna be doing a prank with my girlfriend Ashley. So she actually pranked me a few days ago by pretending to have an abortion. So I feel like it's only right for me to come back with a let's have a baby prank. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna act like I actually want to have a baby. Hopefully she gives us a really good reaction. If she does, let's get this video to 50K likes, y'all. Let's get it! Ashley. What are you doing? Can you come real quick? Actually, no. Go back. I don't want to say can you come real quick. Ashley, what are you doing? Could you come for a second? I feel like it's time.
What's time?
Time for you to come off the pill.
For what?
For you to come off the pill.
Okay. Really?
I'm serious.
Okay. You're not funny.
I feel like it's time for you to come off the pill.
Come off the pill for what?
So we could have a baby.
Oh, baby?
Yeah.
You don't want a baby.
I honestly want to have a baby.
So yes, guys, you see, it's clear, and he tried to re-upload the video. Well, he actually did re-upload the video. He's now deleting comments on his video and shit. But let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section about this whole situation, and is it cool for someone to like fake pranks? Just let me know if that's cool. For me personally, I don't think that's really cool, because he's just manipulating everyone, letting them think something that it's not. But as I said before, guys, let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section, and love, peace, signing out.